When someone is injured enough to need paramedics, they are taken by ambulance to the nearest trauma center. The trauma center knows that there is an incoming trauma, but they do not know anything about the patient or what to prepare for. When the patient arrives, there is a rapid verbal exchange of information between the paramedics and the trauma teams, and someone puts all this information in a chart. MedicMate exists to help paramedics as well as the trauma team streamline this process while ensuring that no information is lost. Take a look.
This is MedicMate. For paramedics, creating a new case is as easy as hitting the plus button in the bottom right. From here, any and all patient information can be entered, including the patient's name, sex, age, and what happened to them. A patient's allergies, last oral intake, medications, pertinent medical history, and signs and symptoms can all be inputted, as well as the patient's blood pressure, heart rate, and level of consciousness. The paramedics can also input the treatments the patient has received, such as airways or endotracheal tubes, cervical collars, and CPR. The paramedics can then share with the hospital, and the trauma teams at the hospital will be able to see the patient as an incoming trauma. Trauma teams and paramedics will then be able to view it and put in information to coordinate with each other.
MedicMate is written almost entirely in Dart, a language by Google that is kind of similar to Java. Dart was used via the Flutter framework, which is also by Google. Flutter allows a single Dart codebase to be used for both Android and iOS, so the app works on both platforms. MedicMate's backend services are taken care of by Firebase. Firebase Authentication manages user accounts. Cloud Firestore and Cloud Storage for Firebase stored data. Firebase Cloud Messaging delivers push notifications. Firebase Crashlytics helps discover any potential issues with the app. Lastly, Python was used to add data regarding the names and addresses of over 7,000 hospitals nationwide to the database.